Hi everybody, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And look what I got. The summer edition of Decor Steals Steal It box. Looks like a cabbage. I don't have a clue what's in it. I just got home. We've been gone over the weekend and it came yesterday. I've been so excited to get home. However, I'm not excited to see this gigantic hole in it. And that feels like some type of glass or something there, and I hope it is not broken, because I will be extremely upset if it is. And it's got this torn, you know, who delivered it? It was FedEx. FedEx, that's what I'm feeling, FedEx. Okay. You might notice the light's a little different. I had to switch the lights because I didn't like what it was looking like. So let's dive in, you guys. All right, let's see here. I did not even do this. And it is really taped up well. I don't know what the heck FedEx did, but I hope it's not damaged, because it definitely feels like there's glass or something in here. And I don't know if that's what it is. All right. It says, bring the heat, share your summer vibes, decor tips, and sizzling looks. The wait is over. So we got the hello there. We're not going to open that up yet. We got the thank you. And I'm going to pull out the box that is damaged first. Oh, it's a little one. Not that that's bad, but let's see. All right. Oh, okay. The first item is what I'm considering a cabbage serving plate. It's precious. Yeah, garden fresh serving platter. Size-wise, it's like, here's my hand. I got small hands, but I mean, it's a salad plate maybe, but it is cute. I do like that. Okay, and it wasn't damaged. It wasn't damaged, so that's even better. All right, so let me pull out a couple other things here. Now is this the extra? Yes. So this is the free gift, and it says sit back and relax with a free gift. We've packed in a special summer touch to make your festivities unforgettable. All right, let's see here. All right, we just got back from Chicago. Took my niece and a friend there for the weekend. We had a good time. Did a lot of things. Made some artwork, shot of art. Went to the Museum of Illusions. That was cool. All right, everything's packaged so well in here. And I'm so happy that my plate wasn't damaged, because that was a close call, you guys. All right. Let's see here. Okay. So what they are, I believe, is glass straws. So yes, they are glass straws, kind of curvy-Q. We got 4 of them, wow, okay. And then we also got the bottle brush cleaner for them. Very cool, like that. Okay, let's see. Next item. I'm glad we had the cabbage or the lettuce, whatever that is, because I missed out. There was, which box was it? The tableware where she had those serving platters, and they were great. All right, so this is a summer stripe pillow cover. Okay. Was not expecting a pillow cover, but okay. Now, I don't know if you can see these stripes. They're like a hunter, no, take that back, olive. They're like an olive green. So I hope, you know, I'm one of those people, I do want 2. I don't want just one. I do want two. Because what if you have nothing else that goes with this? Okay, got a little odor, but I think that's just the odor from like the manufacturing. So, okay. Next item. So far, I'm like, okay. I'm waiting for the big item, the big whammy, which I know is coming. Gosh, I don't know how the heck they package this stuff in here so perfectly, you guys. Let's put that up here too. All right, so we've got this one, the one standing up there, and one more big item. All right. Those pillowcase, what's so funny is online, everyone's gonna be like trying to either sell their single pillowcase or buy another pillowcase. Okay. Gosh, when the styrofoam goes down all the way. All right, so I've turned it upside down. Oh, okay. I say, oh, okay a lot. So I'm hoping that this isn't what's also in there. I know that sounds bad, but I believe it's candle. There we go. So it is a golden hour metal lantern. So in here, yeah, so in here is the top to this lantern. I'm gonna get it out. Push this over a little bit here. Maybe put it together so you can see it. Oh, and it's kind of, I thought it was silverly. It's not. It might be a brass color, perhaps. Let's see if it says the color. It doesn't. It's got a warmth to it. It's not straight up like looking silver. All right. And it fits a taper candle in there. This is I mean, weren't these like a few years ago? I don't know. All right, let's see. Next. This one's light, you guys. I see floral. All right, so it is hydrangeas and blooms garland. So these are hydrangeas. So now you are definitely gonna have to fluff this up a lot because it really is crunched down. So it is 2 different shades of colors. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hydrangeas on it, and lengthwise, okay, so I'm 5'3", so maybe 5.5 feet, if that, with that being there. I will say it's not the best quality that I've seen out there. They're not the real touch hydrangeas. All right. Let's do the last item here, guys. All right, I'm gonna have to, I hope this one blows my socks off, guys. I really do. Because I'm kind of meh right now. I think this is going to be a potter, a planter. That's kind of what I got my feeling, because haven't they mentioned like a patio or something? So that's, I'm wondering if this is a planter. smells. Okay, I'm not 100% sure yet what this guy is on. Oh, all right. This, I think I'm digging. This. Let me get it all undone here. I think it's one of those, is it a rain pot or something? What do they call them? Ooh, it feels like they've definitely sprayed it with something, because you get a kicking chemical smell off of it. On the inside is where the smell. So it's this pot. You get the rack. So this is a rustic elegance creamer planter. A rustic elegance creamery. I think that rustic elegance creamery planter. Showcase your blooms with the distressed metal finish, adding vintage charm to any setting. All right, that's not what I thought it was going to be called. So is this separate then? Guys, because we've got this little bucket. Okay, so this is another little bucket. And then we've got these. And this is, you guys, these are two separate things. So that literally is a bucket to put flowers in. It does come with that grate, and like halfway down is where the grate can sit. So the flower doesn't have to, you don't have to have a gigantic flower. This is Tranquil Tides Leaf Fountain. Goodness gracious. It's been a long weekend, guys, with two 12-year-old girls. All right, so yeah, this is a fountain. My assumption is that I feed this down through here. That is crimped, so I definitely want to uncrimp that. All right, and then it sets down in there like that. I actually like this, you guys. All right, okay, so let's recap here. Whoops. I like it, thumbs up. It would have gotten a complete 5 stars if it had been bigger. If this had actually been a platter size, it would have been out of the park with this. It's food safe, hand wash only, microwave safe. You lost me at hand wash. I don't want anything that I can't put in the washer. This is more of a decorative piece. I don't like that it actually has that it's a square. I'd rather it actually have been rounded. But to me, this is something more, I think I'll probably like have it lean up against my, in my kitchen, lean back or something. Or maybe do it this way, have a really pretty photo here or something like that. This is fine. I just wish I had 2, but this is fine. The quality's not here. I would give it a 3, and I'm being generous with that. This, out of the park. I love this. I wish this had been big. I wish you would have not have given me this and instead gave me a big one there. That I would have loved. Don't want to lose this. I'm assuming this might be a motor. Yeah, I think this is a motor. And then we got our straws. And let me not forget this. So this box was, what was it, the $129? I do not feel it should have been $129 in my personal opinion. This one, I mean, I think you could have gotten $129 out of the Easter. This should have been only a 99. Again, my opinion only. So they've given us a sweet tea recipe. I love their postcards. And the summer. So, oh my gosh, you guys. The lantern. My apologies. Goodness. Okay. So let's come back to the price because we got the lantern too. All right. With the lantern, would I go up from 99? I wouldn't. I just wouldn't. I don't like the bucket. I don't like the bucket at all. The hydrangea, it's not, I still say $99. If this would have been a big one, I would have said $129, no problem. But yes, they have kind of styled this a little bit outdoors with a, a patio setting. Let me see here. So yes, we got the Rustic Elegance Urn planter. So they're calling it an urn. They said it has claw feet. Okay, these are the claw feet. That makes it a lot better. That takes it up. I'd say that takes it up to 109, to be honest, with the claw feet. Because now let's look at the feet, because now you've given it a little bit of distinction. So glad for catching that, you guys. Yeah, okay. And it looks like a footer. Okay, this, much better, you guys. Much, much better. Let's see what else I missed. Okay, yes. So we got the clawfoot planter, enhances your space with a blend of functionality and nostalgic charm. Then we have the Tranquil Tides Leaf Fountain. This 8-tier fountain with its distressed finish brings a calming and peaceful ambiance to your home or garden. Then we got the Garden Fresh serving platter. It's hand painted. Then we got the Golden Hour metal lantern with its galvanized finish and glass panels. Do want to stress it does have glass panels. This lantern fits both modern and rustic styles. Then we have the Endless Summer Blooms garland. It's hydrangeas and olive leaves. And then the Summer Striped pillow cover. Looking through the rest of it. So they go through and show you, how you can style it. They give you a QR code how to assemble this. Okay. So 109. Am I wowed by this box? No. Would I have bought the box if I known what was in it? Probably not. Now it does say shop these looks. So they do have a 65-inch tall cascading leaf fountain. They've got a bigger one. I wish you would have given us the bigger one. You could have left out the hydrangeas, or you could have left out the lantern and given us the big one. Because I would have loved to have had the big one. Yeah. Okay. So that is the Summer Decor Steals Steal It box. Let me know your thoughts. Have you already ordered it? Are you going to order it based on this? I'd love your opinion. So, all right, guys, thank you for watching, tuning in, and we will talk and see each other later. Take care. Bye-bye, everyone.